In the last videos, we have added a new stream to our auth class, and what we want to do next is to see how we can use it inside our landing page. And before we can do that, we need to remember to add this new variable to the auth-base-abstract class as well. So I'm going to do this quickly by copy-pasting this, and I'm going to paste it over here, and I'm also going to add an override annotation here. And then we can head over to the landing page. Okay, so now I have a new stream that emits a user object every time there is a new authentication event. And just to show you that this works, over here I could go to the init method, and here I could type in widget.auth.onAuthStateChanged and then listen. And this is where I can subscribe to any changes to the user. So I can define a method which takes a user parameter, and here I could just print the user. So I could say print and then user and then semicolon, and then I'm going to use string interpolation. So dollar brackets and then user, and here I'm going to type $.uid. And the question mark is what I need to use in case the user is null. So if the user is null here, it will just say user is null, and otherwise it will print the user ID. Okay, so now I could open the console and hot restart like this. And I can see that when the app starts, I already get a line telling me that the user is null. And this is great because it means that Firebase authentication emits a user to the stream when the application starts. And this is the same value that I was checking explicitly by calling checkCurrentUser method before. So now I could try to sign in, and I can see that I get a user with the user ID. And also when I sign out, once again, I get user with null. Okay, so I feel that we have reached an important milestone here, because all our efforts to learn about streams are now going to pay off. So what we have just discovered is that by simply listening to the onAuthStateChanged stream, we can be notified every time the user is updated. And just to show you why this is a game changer, let me once again open the diagram with our signing flows. So up to this point, the only way that we could tell the landing page when the user signs in or signs out was by using explicit callbacks from the sign-in page or the home page. However, we don't need those callbacks anymore because we discovered that to get the updated user, we can just listen to the onAuthStateChanged stream. Okay, so this is a good improvement. However, things are going to get even better, because we are ready to introduce a new widget that will make our life a lot easier. So let's continue on the next video.